bash interaction with the Linux. Bash actually the command line interface, means CLI, or you can say this is the shell. And what is the shell? Shell just a interpreter or the mediator where some input you will do the input and the output will be displayed on the screen, output. So input shell go to the processor do the processing and give some output, and shell will display in a terminal. Okay, means input, process and the output. This is handled by the bash. This is the default shell in a Linux, but there is some other shells also available like jest shell and other. So what is the shell? Shell is a command line interface where you will enter the input for the processing. When you will input, when you will provide the input, it will process and then provide you the output. First it will verify the syntax. So what is the meaning of the verify the syntax? Like you have written here ls and slash downloads. So when you will do the input, means first it will verify what the input you have provided. Here the input is slash downloads. So actually this complete syntax is right or not. If the syntax is not right, then it will display the result here, no such file or the directory. Means it will check the syntax and it will provide the error or it will provide the result. Got it? So it is called input and validate then output. Input, validate, then output. For the example, like I am going to do the same here, I am going to run the same is a downloads. So you can see here the something is displaying here. Okay, but I am written here the downloads, the same downloads, but I am getting the error. And if I am putting the slash also, but also getting the error, when I will run the ls, means list view, then I will find there is a downloads. So even I am providing the downloads. So what is the difference between this and this? Is there any different? Yes. This letter. Here is a capital letter, here is a small letter. So it is called case sensitive. Linux is a case sensitive. You will have provide a correct name. Okay, ls downloads, then here it is. You will have to provide the correct syntax. So bash is a default Linux shell. Now moving on. Here is a two command structure. One command structure is a ls-l/etc. Another is a ipaddr show ets0. Okay. So what is the command structure? Command structure means here is the main command, first one. Second one is a sub command. And the third one is a argument. This is the structure of the command. Means command, sub command, then argument. This is the structure. Command, sub command, then the argument. Input. This is called complete structure of the commands. Okay. So some type of the options it will taking the by default argument, and some are you will have to provide the argument. For the example here again I am showing you the example. Like here I am going to run the command ls-l/etc. Lots of the output. Yeah. So this is the complete command. If I will provide something like ls-l and etc. So I am getting the error. This is argument is incorrect. Here in this case, argument is incorrect. Argument is incorrect. This is the correct. How I know this correct? If I will run like ls-l giving reply, but when I am putting the ls space etc, it is giving the error. So it means I am providing the wrong argument. So it is necessary provide the correct ls means correct command, their options and correct input. So how you will identify? How you can identify? I will tell you later on how you can identify. First understand about the commands. Like here I am running the IP command. It is displaying here. What is displaying? IP, then option, then object, then commands and much more. So what the argument I can use like IP, then I need to command to ADR. So ADR means address. So input is a ADR. It is not a complete commands. If I want to display only for this, so I will have to provide like IP, ADDR. This the next means subcommand of the ADDR is the subcommand of IP, and here is a show command is a part of ADDR. Then is need to provide the argument. Argument means which interface you want to check out, like ENP S03 this input, and then does not exist. Is it ENP0S3? Okay, the spelling is incorrect. That is the reason it was not displaying. So now it is displaying only this information. So do you understand the structure of the command? Command structure means command, subcommand, argument. Okay, this is the structure of the command. Got it? Here is some commands like ls, cd, pwd and cat command which is used. So what is the ls command? Already I have told you the ls command is used. Ls command is used for the list of the content, means what is inside the directory. Directory means folder. What is inside the folder? How you can see? By using the ls command. Like ls space give the location. Another is a pwd command. Pwd command will display the current working directory, means where you are. And another is a cd command which is used for changing the directory. What is the C? Full form is a change directory. pwd present working directory, list view. Okay. So if you want to change directory, you can use the cd command and give the path. You will have to provide the correct path. If the path is incorrect, you will get the error. If the directory is incorrect, you will get the error. So all these things. Okay. So let's start. See guys, first you should know what is the structure of the Linux. So structure means the complete operating system will be installed in a / directory. When you hit enter, you will find out there is a lots of the directory are there. And inside there is a one directory, it is called, where is TMP? TMP is not here. How it is possible? I think here will be the TMP. ls -l / yeah, this is the TMP. Okay. So you can see there is a all the directory. Like if you want to go inside the home, so either you can check ls/home. Keep in mind you will have to enter the first this one / then home. Okay, hit enter. So here is a 3 options, student1 and the Vijay. So ls/home/Vijay. Either you can use the cd change directory /home. I want to go inside the home. and here I will use the ls. There is a 3 folder. So now you can decide in which folder you want to go. Like cd, I want to go inside the Vijay. Here it is. Now how you will be, where are you? You can use the pwd command. You can see inside slash and inside home. Okay. Inside here you can check ls. There is a lots of the directory here. So go on a desktop and again you will run the ls command. You can see there is a some directory also available. Some directory inside here. Then you can go inside the guest, this directory, again ls. You are looking for something but you are not able to find out, like, oh, this is not inside this, I need to go in another folder. So what you will do, cd space dot dot directory and hit enter. Now you will come back, or you will go in a parent directory, like back in a burn directory back. So here you will use the pwd command. You can see there. If you want to go inside another folder, so first you will check what are the content exist here. Like here is a TART content or TART folder here, and I want to check what is inside this folder. So you can use the ls then TART, and you can see there is some folder exists here. Okay, and if you want to check out this folder, like I want to check this file, what is inside this file. So either you can go inside the TART folder, and you can use the cat command. Cat command is used for checking the content inside the file. So this is the content of the file. But if I want to go in another location, so first I will check where I am. I am inside the slash home slash Vijay slash desktop slash TART, but I want to go in a TMP directly. So we can go slash TMP directly. Here it is. This is lots of the folder inside the temp folder. So you can see lots of the folders are there. So you can move in any location. Like I want to go in a previous location on this location. So what I will do, cd slash home Vijay desktop and TART, again pwd. You can see I have now present working directory is here. If I want to move any other folder, I want to check any files, so I can check it. For the example, I want to go back on the previous or in a parent directory by using the cd space double dot ls command. Check it here, error.txt, 5 pass wd, 2 pass wd.txt. So if I want to check the content of this, so I can use the 2 pass wd.txt, add in some content, and here is nothing. So I am going to check the content in a 5 pass wd.txt. Here is some content, and also I am going to check the cat std